What's the meaning of credit card? Credit card. Credit card.
Credit card. Credit card. A credit card is a plastic payment card that allows cardholders to borrow funds from a credit issuer with the intention of paying it back later. The cardholder can make purchases or withdraw cash up to a predefined limit, which represents their creditworthiness. Credit cards typically charge interest on any unpaid balance and may also have additional fees for late payments or exceeding the credit limit. It's a convenient way to make purchases without carrying cash, but users should be careful not to overspend and accumulate debt.